This morning, a prominent Florida State University law professor is at the center of his own legal mystery, one he would not live to see. Dan Markel was gunned down in his Tallahassee home. Police are releasing little information. Michelle Miller is tracking developments in a killing with no clear motive. Michelle, good morning.
Good morning. While few details are coming out, police are saying this was not a random act of violence. Authorities have not named a suspect, and they are asking for the public for help. Tallahassee police canvassed the area around Dan Markel's home Monday, looking for any clues into his death.
This is a puzzle, and we need to get all the pieces of the puzzle, put it together, and bring this case to a close.
At about 11 Friday morning, officers were first called to Markel's house, where they found the popular law professor with an apparent gunshot wound. He was rushed to a local hospital but died a day later from his injuries.
If it was a burglary or home invasion gone bad, that's very alarming. If it was somehow or another targeted to Professor Markel, frankly, that's frightening for a whole different reason.
While a recent spree of break-ins had neighbors on edge, police said there was no indication of forced entry at Markel's home, calling his death a homicide.
It was not a robbery. It does not appear that it was a burglary. At this time, it does appear that Mr. Markel, unfortunately, was the intended victim in this case.
A 41-year-old father of two young boys, Markel was in the middle of a divorce. He taught criminal law at Florida State University, but was recognized nationwide with his writings featured in the New York Times, Slate, and The Atlantic. He's seen here speaking at a conference in 2012.
It's probably going to become the basis of a book, and I look forward to getting your thoughts about it.
Markel also co-founded a popular legal blog with longtime friend Ethan Lieb.
Dan Markel was an extraordinary person, an extraordinary scholar, an extraordinary friend, an incredible life.
Over the weekend, friends and family paid tribute to Markel at a memorial service. In a statement, Florida State University called him an outstanding teacher and extraordinary scholar.
I'll tell you, he was a tough professor, which is a good thing. He made you reach for something a lot greater than what you normally would have.
And a lawyer for Wendy Adelson, Markel's ex-wife, reportedly said she is devastated by the death of Dan and scared to death.